Do you have freedom of expression as a journalist in Germany?
Much.
Anchor person or missing person?
Sorry, what?
There is Starbucks behind you. What do you think about people who are boycotting to support Palestine? Merz, Trump or Modi? Who's the worst?
People actually who come here, they are more interested in the news from their country.
Has it changed?
I think it has changed a lot. The population has increased.
Shah Rukh Khan or Fawad Khan?
Ridiculous.
Favorite South Asian obsession of English accent? What would you say about it? Hello.
How are you? Nice to meet you. My name is Shamil Shams, and I am a journalist by profession. And I work at Deutsche Welle, which is Germany's international broadcaster. And I live in Bonn. The place I have chosen is the Thalia bookshop, which is over there. And I've chosen this place because I used to come here quite often. This is the place where I could go, relax, read books, because there's a place where you can sit inside and read. And there are quite a few English books here available as well. It's quite rare in Germany. And reading has been a habit for me for a very long time, since I was a child. And Thalia is the place where I could come. And also there is a very nice coffee shop. It's a wonderful
books
place.
A bit
It's a wonderful
expensive?
place. Expensive, but you know, I mean, if you are living in Germany and you want to read books, then I think this is the place where in Bonn. This is the Sternstrasse, which is the street of stars in English. And there is, over there is the old Rathaus. So quite a historic place. It's at the heart of the city in Bonn. And it's a place where we used to come and hang out quite often. Other than the bookshop, I think this is the place where, you know, you would come to shop, you would go to the coffee shops and restaurants and other places.
When and why did you come here in Germany?
I came here initially in 2007, and I started working at Deutsche Welle. I moved to the UK in 2009. I finished my master's in media and communications there, and I came back to Germany. And since then, I've been with DW English, DW Asia. So it's been 14, 15 years since then.
Quite a long time.
Very long time.
Hardships and challenges did you face? And what was the toughest thing moving to Germany?
Well, initially, when you come to a new place, you feel quite lonely at the start. But luckily, at Deutsche Welle, I made quite a few friends, and I used to hang out with them. And we started visiting the pubs also, so would meet people from the German society. I had a steady job, so I understand that people who come here they don't have a steady source of income, so they find quite a lot of hardships. I didn't face those hardships in Germany.
What was the biggest culture shock for you when you arrived here?
To be honest, I did not have a big cultural shock, because I found myself at a place where I could be myself. It's a place where you can express your thoughts freely. You can easily assimilate and integrate.
Germany, you mean, or Europe?
Europe and Germany also. Initially, you face lots of issues here because of the language, because German is a difficult language to learn. So you take your time, you start learning the language, and after that, you start interacting with more people within the society.
Germany today and back then, what's the difference? Has it changed?
I think it has changed a lot. In terms of the city of Bonn, the population has increased over the years. You see a lot more economic activity here as well.
And Germany in general, has it changed from the time you came here?
I think Germany's economy was much better when I came here. Now it has deteriorated a little.
Do you see more multiculturalism here now?
Is
it easier for the people of color?
You see more people from different backgrounds now. It's more international now than before. I have not really faced much difficulties.
So much information people are generating themselves. How relevant is journalism?
Social media, firstly, that changed the face of journalism quite a lot. And now you have the artificial intelligence coming in. So that obviously is a change. But Journalism stays relevant, in my opinion.
Do you have freedom of expression as a journalist in Germany?
Well, compared to Pakistan, where I come from, it's a huge difference. The media here is freer. It is more independent. We have the freedom of expression. Of course, we always want to have balanced reporting.
How diverse voices and representation of colored people exists there in German media?
Well, at DW, it's extremely diverse. We have people from all over the world. We have women in managerial positions. So it's a very diverse, gender equal organization.
Marginalized people or the people of color or different people are included in the media narrative?
They are. It is changing. It's changing for the better. I think that people from different places now have more say in what they want to say.
Especially Pakistani community or South Asian community.
Yeah.
How connected and how updated they are to the local realities?
Unfortunately, not much, and it is something which is difficult, and it's a difficult situation for them as well. People actually who come here from Pakistan, they are more interested in the news that they from their country.
Since you're in a country that is now your new homeland, so do you think that it's important to stay in touch with the reality?
It is very important to be in touch with what is happening in Germany, in a country where you're living in, because if you're not involved, if you're not informed, then it will have an impact on your choices. It's important that you get more involved. You learn the language, you get more involved in the society.
You appear to be quite serious person. Has media or breaking news made you like, or are you like a chill person or burdened by the worries of current affairs?
No. I've always been like this. I grew up with people who were intellectuals and journalists and poets and writers.
As a journalist and a human being, how does it affect your mental health? And what do you do to unwind?
Well, it's my profession to be informed, to know what is happening. But when I unwind, I watch all kinds of movies.
Yeah, Shamil, I can see there is Starbucks behind you. And what do you think about people who are boycotting to support Palestine? Do you think that these things work?
No, personally, I don't. No.
So do you think
And people have the choice. People should have the choice, whatever they want to do. But if you ask me about me, I don't do that.
So you go to Starbucks?
I am not a big fan of Starbucks because I don't like the coffee. And in Europe, you have like amazing coffees. So why would you have a Starbucks?
So where would you go?
I would
Which
go.
place is your favorite here?
I would go to the regular German bakeries. Here you have the German local bakeries, amazing coffees, amazing cakes.
I think it's the biggest bookstore.
In Bonn, yes. Yeah.
And this is the only place you always buy books, or you just want to sit here and read as well?
I mean, these days I buy online a lot.
Yeah, and it brings me to the future of books. What is the
it-
relevance of paperback and books?
I think it means less and less to the younger generation. For my generation, you get the feel of the book, which I personally enjoy a lot. To feel the book, what I'm reading, is as important as the written word. For the younger generation, obviously, it's not as relevant. I'm really not into audiobooks. Tried a little bit, but it never worked for me. And I'm very fond of the written word. I'm a writer myself because as a journalist, I write a lot of prose, and I am writing fiction now. Hopefully my book, my novel, would be out next year. The written word, when I write something, when I read something, I think nothing comes close to that ever.
We are standing in front of the bookstore called Thalia. That is your favorite bookstore. So usually, what do you buy here, and how often do you come here?
And I used to come here a lot, not that often anymore, to be honest. And usually I buy books online also, but I used to come here. I don't remember the first book I bought here. But yeah, for instance, like you see Rilke is one of my favorite poets, one heck of a poet. And everybody should read Rilke in German or in translations. It's highly recommended.
Okay. And I see so many titles here, though they are all in German.
Yeah.
But if you had to choose, which one Jane Austen, Orwell, or what else is here? Dostoevsky, Charles Dickens. Yeah.
No, Orwell is one of my favorite writers ever.
Mm-hmm.
and it really fascinated me. It's still relevant in today's society where we see authoritarianism.
Mm-hmm. What
And
would you say
so,
about Jane Austen?
Jane Austen is one hell of an author, and it takes you to a different era. It's very important
Mm-hmm.
to understand the
So,
female perspective on
Mhm.
stories. I think male writers, men, look down upon the female perspective.
okay, who's your favorite author?
My favorite, if I have to pick one, is Shakespeare.
For buying a book, how often do you buy a book written by a female author?
When I buy a book, I don't go for it's a male author, it's a female author, because Arundhati Roy is one of my favorites. Quratul Haider is one of my favorites.
As a journalist who's working in English department, how do you navigate with so many languages?
It enriches you when you learn more languages.
How often you are communicating in your mother tongue?
I communicate a lot with. I have friends with whom I speak in Urdu. We discuss Urdu poetry, Urdu literature quite a lot. I have not lost touch with the language because
Is it
Urdu is very close
important
to my heart.
to keep your mother tongue and your native language wherever if you are going to a new country and learning a new language?
If you come to a country, you need to learn the language of that country. So if you're just stuck up the kind of like songs you would listen to only belong to your homeland, that is kind of an obstacle for you to expand intellectually or expand culturally.
So, what do you miss most about your homeland?
I miss my friends mostly,
Mm-hmm.
listening to music with them. Obviously, I mean, I miss the food. In my opinion, I think there are certain things in life which stay with you forever. When it comes to songs and music, I'm like a bit stuck up with the music I grew up with. So I think music and food are the things which remain with you
Okay.
no matter where you
And
go.
how
and what you
different
do.
is your new hometown than your previous hometown?
Well, I come from Karachi. Karachi is humongous. Bonn is a small city, so obviously they're very different cities. I think Bonn, it's one of my favorite cities in the world.
So, what is, if I ask you, homeland for you?
None.
Why?
I don't strictly believe in national identities and kind of one singular identity. I'm not very fond of.
Do you call Deutschland homeland or Pakistan? Where is your homeland, if I ask you?
I would say both and none, because I think as a thinking person who is a bit unorthodox, I think that I am a citizen of the world and I believe in multiple identities. Bonn is my city, Germany is my country, Pakistan is my country, Karachi is my city. I'm very much against strict identities, rigid identities.
Journey as an immigrant living in Europe or Germany, what did you gain?
I gain knowledge. I am so enriched in the past 15, 20 years of my journey, living in a new country, calling it my home. In the process, I, I think it's very.
Yeah, get us. Mm-hmm.
I think this is has been truly immense, and I have been very fortunate by meeting people, visiting new places, historic places, experiencing different cultures, different societies. And I think it has truly enriched me.
And do you think that South Asian migrants in Germany are able to coexist or they are divided?
I think when people come here, South Asians also, they tend to engage with people from their countries, their communities. Like mostly, I'm not talking about everyone. Have this bubble. I think it's very important that you interact with people from other cultures, other countries, other societies.
If we take the example of India, Pakistan, do you think that they have the opportunity to coexist or they are here also divided?
I think there is more exposure here because Indians, when they come here, they interact with a lot of Bengalis, Pakistanis, and Afghans, and Pakistanis with all these people. So in their countries, you have almost no chance and opportunity to meet with all these people. So when they come here, so obviously there is more interaction.
Christmas time?
Well, it's a Christmas market, and you see the Christmas figures behind me. So
Quick questions and you have to give quick answers. Breaking news before breakfast.
it's a duty. I have to do it.
Being media person, I'm very conscious about my looks.
No, I'm not.
Things I can't leave home without.
My cell phone. Wallet.
My go-to outfit for work.
Casually, a jeans and a jacket, sweater. It's very
Anchor
cold
person
here.
or missing person?
Sorry, what?
Anchor person or missing person?
I,
You had to choose, just random. Okay, just leave it. Current affairs or other affairs?
literature.
On my phone, I mostly watch
A lot of reels these days. Silly, but yeah.
a song or artist, always on my Spotify.
Jagjit Singh.
The last thing you were listening to?
Jagjit Singh.
On my way to work, I usually think of
The meetings which I was going to attend.
a worst slip of tongue during a live broadcast.
I wanted to say decisive and I said divisive or divisive.
Chat GPT and TikTok means journalism is dead.
No.
Donor or currywurst?
Currywurst.
Beauty standard, Korean, American or Indian?
Grew up with Hollywood, so American, Indian.
Black or blonde? Hair.
Brunette.
Urdu or English?
Urdu.
Why?
Because of its poetry, which is closer to my heart than English poetry.
Shakespeare or James Joyce?
Shakespeare.
South Asian obsession of English accent. What would you say about it?
Ridiculous.
Favorite German show or movie?
I don't remember right now.
Bollywood or Hollywood?
Hollywood.
Jagjit Singh or Diljit Dosanjh?
Jagjit Singh.
Shah Rukh Khan or Fawad Khan?
Shah Rukh.
Nasiruddin Shah or Dilip Kumar?
Nasiruddin Shah.
Malala or Mamdani?
Malala.
Mehdi Hasan singer or Mehdi Hasan journalist?
The singer.
Coffee, chai or beer?
Beer.
Pakistani, Indian or English music?
The Indian subcontinent.
Mayat, Trump or Modi? Who's the worst?
I hope that all of them would lead the world to the right place.
Favorite shopping spot in Bonn?
TK Maxx.
And
H&M.
favorite German custom or festival?
The Carnival.
Favorite German word?
I would say shuts.
Strangest German word?
All of them.
Okay. German weather is?
Too cold.
Ausländer means?
I don't like the word and I like to belong.
A migrant is?
A human being.
What and who is a Desi?
Whoever thinks she or he is.
Being a brown man in Germany means?
I think you're exotic.
One thing journalists should stop doing?
Talk, talk and talk.
German women or Pakistani women?
All women, both.
One thing you can do in Germany but not in Pakistan?
Well, I can have my pint of beer on a street, which I cannot do in Pakistan.
Think South Asian men should learn from Germany? Men particularly, not the South Asian community.
The respect for women, like treating them as equal human beings.
Germans are more loyal in their relationship than Pakistanis.
Not necessarily.
Okay. South Asia means India. True or false?
False.
South Asians in Germany or Europe are one community.
Partly true.
Best thing about Bonn?
Its smallness, serenity, natural beauty.
What does the city's nightlife offer?
The nightlife is not very exciting here. For that, you have to go to Cologne. In Bonn, you can go to very scenic places.
One thing migrants must do.
Learn the language.
One thing migrants or immigrants should not do.
To be stuck in the past and to their own customs and traditions.
Which culture is more open, German culture or South Asian?
Openness is a very broad term. If I'm getting the gist of your question, German, European.
One lesson South Asians should learn from Germany.
To coexist, to be tolerant, secular, liberal, which are traditions. They were present in South Asia, in the Indian subcontinent. We are losing it, and I think it's important to revive.
Okay, Shamil, thanks
It
a
was
lot.
a pleasure meeting you.
I hope you had fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lots
Thank you
of
very
fun.
much.
Thank you.
Bye. Cheers.